YouTube, it's your girl Asia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how I installed this pretty wig from I Define Wig without using any type of glue. So of course don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely stay tuned until the end of today's video to see the full tutorial, and then don't forget to follow my socials, and then we are just gonna get straight into the video. Alright YouTube, so I am going to go ahead and start off today's wig tutorial with my ball cap being already on and melted. Now I Define Wig was kind enough to sponsor today's video, as well as send me a wig to put on for you all. So today's wig is going to be a 13x4 lace front wig, with the length being in 22 inches and the texture being in wavy. Plus the density is going to be 180%, but I am going to go ahead and apply some makeup onto the inside of the lace. This is going to mimic the scalp look, making sure that when we do install the wig and apply the wig, everything is going to be seamless and natural. So I am going to go ahead and cut off the back lace from where the back of the wig is, just because I'm not going to be doing a 360 look for today's video. And then I am going to go ahead and just plop on the wig and make sure that everything is fitting right before I go in and start our install. Now I Define Wig is having a Mother's Day pre-sale, so you guys can use my code ASIA15 at checkout for a discount on your purchase. Now I will have all of these details down below in my description box, just in case you guys were wondering or in need of any other additional details. Now since we are going to be doing a glueless wig install tutorial for today's video, I'm not going to be using any lace glue or wig glue. I am going to go ahead in with my Got2B Freeze spray, and I am going to be spraying this right where the ball cap meets my skin. Now if you guys are wanting your wig to last a little bit longer, I would definitely recommend doing multiple layers of this, but since I'm not wanting my wig to last very long, I'm just going to go ahead in with one layer of that spray. And then I am going to fix the wig to lay where I would like it to be, and then I will take my elastic band and put that right onto my wig. That way we can get the ultimate melt without using lace glue or any type of wig glue. And then I will let that band sit in for about 20 minutes. You can also do more time, you can also do less time. Honestly, I feel like 15 to 20 minutes is roughly the way to go. But like I said, if you are going to be doing multiple layers of this, definitely go for the longer time. Now while the elastic band is on and the lace is melting, I am going to go in and I will style the wig just a little bit. Now this wig did not need much styling because it was already pre-styled, so all I really had to do was brush through the hair, and as you guys can see, the curls are already forming. Now this is the wig straight out of the box. I did not wash it, I did not add any product to it, so you really are getting a really good high quality wig for a good price. So I am going to go ahead and take off the elastic band after about 20 minutes, and then I am going to start to cut off all of that extra lace. Now since we are going to be doing a glueless wig install tutorial, of course the Got2B spray is not going to be as sturdy or as strong as regular lace glue would be or wig glue would be. So during this process, I would definitely recommend to not be super harsh with the lace. Do not peel it back, do not lift it. Definitely be gentle, and then go ahead and cut off all of the extra lace that is not stuck to your scalp or your skin. Next, I am going to go ahead and brush through the hair. I'm not going to add any products or any type of water or anything to the wig, just because I feel like the wig itself does not need that, just because it did come out of the box already basically pre-styled. So I just decided to brush through the hair to make it look a little better, and of course she came out super duper cute. So I Define wigs are going to be a very high quality wig for the price, and you do not need to style the wig, you do not need to pluck the wig, wash the wig, or anything like that, because that's already said and done for you when you do get these wigs. So this is going to be the final result for today's video, which is going to make this the end of today's video. So of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do appreciate you guys for watching today's video, especially if you did watch it from the beginning to the end. I will have the product links and everything like that down below in my description box, but don't forget to follow my socials as well, and then I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.